Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about atoms and elements. What's an atom? An atom is the basic unit of a chemical element, and these elements are made up of atoms. And someone might say, why do we need to know about atoms and elements in anatomy and physiology? Well, you need to understand basic chemistry in order to know how the body works. So, in case you don't know this already, the body is made up of chemicals. These atoms join together to form these chemicals that we have in the human body. Then these chemicals then determine the physiology of the body at the cellular level. Basically, these chemicals determine how the body is going to work, how the body is going to function. Okay, let's look at the structure of the atom. The atom is made up of three subatomic particles, which are protons, neutrons, and electrons. We're going to find the protons and the neutrons inside the nucleus. The nucleus is right here in the center of the atom. And protons are these subatomic particles. They're stable. They carry a positive charge. So you can see here we put a positive next to the P. Neutrons, however, they carry a neutral charge, and we give it a 0, to denote that they're carrying a neutral charge. Then electrons are going to be on the periphery, not in the nucleus, on the periphery of the atom, and they come in a form of a cloud, and they carry a negative charge. So there are three things I want you to know about the atomic structure. The atomic number is basically the same number as the protons, all right? And the mass number is going to be protons and neutrons. So for example, if you're being asked what is the atomic number of an element, you would know that it's going to be the same thing as a proton. If you're being asked what is the mass number of this atom, then you're going to know that it's the protons and the neutrons. And the electron cloud, we can kind of see it kind of surrounding, rotating, orbiting the nucleus, and we can see it, the shell right here also. Elements are made of atoms. The atoms I just talked about, and elements are the most basic chemicals we have in the human bodies. They are determined by the atomic number, which is the number of protons. So I'm just going to quickly talk about the main elements in the human body. Oxygen, we use a symbol of O, and oxygen is a component of water. It's essential for respiration. Oxygen, O2 is for respiration. The next element is going to be carbon. We use a symbol of C. This is a component of carbohydrates and proteins. And then there's going to be nitrogen. Nitrogen symbol is N. We find nitrogen in proteins. Then we have calcium. We use a symbol Ca. Calcium is found in bones and teeth. We use calcium for muscle contraction. We need calcium for blood clotting. And then the other element is going to be potassium. Potassium, we use K as a symbol. We use because potassium plays a big role in blood volume. Another element in the body is going to be iodine. This is needed to make thyroid hormones that we need for our metabolism. And then there's going to be iron. Iron, we use the symbol Fe. Iron is so important. It transports oxygen in the blood. So this is a basic review of atoms and elements. Thank you. Bye.